Form in Excel. One of the most important features of Excel 2016 is Form. A form is a window used to display or enter a record in an Excel worksheet. It provides various controls like text box and buttons to enter and update data. Before using an Excel file as database, you must ensure that every column has a heading, as Form uses these headings to enter or retrieve a record. By default, Form command is not visible on the ribbon. To view the Form command, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the File tab. 2. Select the Options option. 3. Select the Customize ribbon option from the left pane. 4. Select the commands not in the ribbon option from the Choose Commands from drop-down list. 5. Select the Insert tab and click on the New Group. 6. Scroll down and select the Form command and then click on the Add button. 7. Click on the OK button. The Form command will appear under the Insert tab on the ribbon.